Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks the hot side of the circuit. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor cap from the motor. I'll also remove the wires from the switch. With the cap removed, now I can remove the switch. Now I can begin installing the new switch. First, I'll transfer the plastic cover from the old switch to the new. And now I can snap the switch back into the cover. Now reconnect the wires to the switch. First the black wire, and then the red. And now I can reattach the cap. And I'll secure it with the screws. And that's how you can install a new on-off switch on your router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.